Actually, this knuckle, normally they've used it for crispy pata. But I'm using it for my braised pork or humba. They call it humba. Humba. Oh, very nice. I was actually craving for this. It's been like 3 years since I had my braised pork back home in Philippines. Now it has been 3 years I didn't go home. Very nice. My simple recipe for braised pork or humba. Actually, I did not copy any recipe. This is actually my version. And happy Wednesday to everyone. And today it's my birthday.
Yeah.
I want to say to Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama, and we have some cake.
Yes, my husband bought me a cake.
Baby, I don't want
And
it. Mama don't want.
Okay, anyway, today I'm gonna make a braised pork since it is my special day. So I have
Mama's birthday. I will be dancing.
I have to treat myself because we're not going out somewhere. So I prefer to stay home. It's safer for us to be home, so I just have to cook.
Actually, guys, Mama was planning to go outside, but now Mama changed his mind to don't go.
Yes,
Because Mama has lots of food.
Yes, maybe later on. Anyway, I have a knuckle here. I'm using a knuckle. Pork knuckle. Okay, so this one I'm gonna use. First, I have to boil this.
Yeah, first.
And this one.
Ingredients.
I have lemon here. I want to boil my pork first, and I'm gonna make braised pork.
And
so this is the lemon.
Onion.
No, that is garlic, and I have ginger.
I
I have quite a lot of ginger. I have few pieces of garlic, and I have a cinnamon stick, bay leaves, star anise, and cardamom. The reason why I have to boil this first, so it's become easy for me and become soft the meat. So guys, without further ado, and also I'm hungry, please let's just keep on watching. So I'm using this one, and I just literally have to put it inside. Okay, and then put this everything, and I have to put salt.
A pinch of salt.
No.
A big salt.
Salt of 2 teaspoons of salt. Anyway, I have lots of water, so sorry.
Salt.
So now let's just boil this, simmer for at least 1 hour.
Oh, 2 hours.
No, only 1 hour. Because again, we have to cook it again later.
Okay.
So guys, we'll see you after an hour. Bye for now. We're back. And now,
It's ready.
look at our pork. It's very soft. Actually, it was been done 30 minutes back. So see, as you can see, it's...
Yeah, because Mom's very busy today.
Yeah, I was working actually. So see, it's very soft. So now we can make our braised pork now.
Braised pork. Yeah.
So for the other ingredients for the braised pork, I have here soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
I'm gonna put Sprite.
I never had that before, but I just drank it. Exactly, but not cooking. No way.
So I'm gonna put Sprite, and I have another bay leaves here and some cinnamon stick,
Cinnamon stick.
cardamom,
Cardamom.
and black pepper.
Black pepper.
I don't want to put too much black pepper. The reason is that when I start eating, it's keep on my teeth. I bite it and I don't like the taste and the smell. So I don't really like whole black pepper. The
Yeah,
crushed one, that's fine, but the whole
I think
the whole
Mama don't like.
black pepper, I don't like it.
So Mom, this is actually the first time trying black pepper.
Yes, aside from that, we need the cloves of garlic.
Aside of
Sorry,
that, we need
chop of garlic. So I
garlic.
have around
And-
6 cloves of garlic.
And a
And-
chop of onion.
It's not chopped.
And cut of onion.
Yes, I have a thin slice of onion as well.
I
So,
like onion.
actually, this is not actually the authentic braised pork, or we call it in my language, Bisaya Humba. So this is not really authentic. I'm just
Not anymore, guys. Not anymore.
I'm just using what I have at home.
Yes.
So anyway, let's get
Da,
started.
da, 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 da.
So now guys, it's ready. We have to dump this everything. Just dump everything. And now we have to put our onion. And we just saute the onion first until it gets translucent.
Yeah. Then we're going to do broccoli again. Okay, now.
And now we have to put our onion. Garlic. And let's just cook this one for another 1 minute. So now guys, this is fine. Now it's time to put our soy sauce. For the soy sauce, you just have to estimate. I don't know exactly how much I have to put. So I'm just estimating mine. I'm just putting like 1/4 cup of it. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I don't know, 1/4 cup of soy sauce I'm putting. And then after that, I'm gonna put my pork inside. I want to cut my pork so it's becoming into bits and pieces. I should have cut it before I put in the pan. Sometimes my brain doesn't work.
Mama's putting it in the pan now.
Yeah, so I just have to open it. So
No one never uses cheese grater anyway.
don't say like that. I'm your mama.
It's Father's Day or Mother's Day. And
Okay.
Mother's Day, whatever.
This is fine. So now on this, I'm gonna put Sprite as well.
Right? And guys, watch out. Like that noise is come. Watch out,
I'm
guys, if
putting-
you're doing this.
Yes.
It's not as necessary for you to do it by yourself when you're only grown up.
And then after that, we have to put salt.
Big salt, right? A pinch.
Yeah. 1
Tablespoon, 2 tablespoons.
teaspoon of salt.
That's 2.
Yeah, just to balance because Sprite is actually sweet.
Yeah, it's only sweet now because last
So-
time I drank it was so sour.
And it was also more nice if you have the Coke. But I don't have the Coke, guys, so let's just use the Sprite.
Yeah, so you mean Coca-Cola?
Yes,
Or Coke?
Coca-Cola.
Yeah, because we don't have. If you have, it's okay. You can put.
So just leave it simmer.
Simmer
And we'll
for
just check in
1
between.
minute, I think, or 2 minutes. Mama?
Just check in between.
Between? Okay, between is it.
Yes.
Cut it. Are you gonna cut again?
And we have to keep on turning it
Yeah, keep.
so the other side it will also get the marination or the gravy. Okay, so just leave it simmer for another 30 minutes because our pork actually is already cooked. Our braised pork is nicely boiling. Now, last ingredients. We have to put brown sugar. Okay, a brown sugar. So I'm gonna put like about just 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. That's enough. And just give a good stir or mix mix it. Just mix nicely and then leave it again for another 10 minutes. Then voila, it's finished. Then just leave it for 10 minutes. Then again 10 minutes. So now let's check. See, as you can see, it's nice. This is just a very simple braised pork. So now, let's just taste if it's okay. The meat is very soft because I boiled it first actually. The gravy was perfect. I don't have to add anything now. So now we just have to do our plating. So we do the plating. Oh, such a big bones I've got. Ouch. Actually, this knuckle, normally they've used it for crispy pata. But I'm using it for my braised pork or humba. Oh, very nice. I was actually craving for this. It's been like 3 years since I had my braised pork back home in Philippines. Now it has been 3 years I didn't go home, guys. Imagine that, 3 years I'm in Dubai. I'm stuck with my husband. So guys, this is the moment. See? Wow, very nice. My simple recipe for braised pork or humba. Actually, I did not copy any recipe. This is actually my version. I don't want too much because if it's authentic humba or braised pork from my place, which is in Dumaguete, they put other things, other ingredients for this. They have dried banana blossoms and what is this? Black peas, the one in a can, and so many things. But this is my version. Okay, this is the judgment time, and let's have it. Taste. Yes, it's very nice. Actually, I'm cooking rice also at the same time, so it's boiling now here and it's overflow. Okay, anyway. Huh? Very soft. So I will just see? Very soft. Sorry, it's hot. But see, if you just have to do like that, very soft. This is indeed, I'm gonna have a happy birthday today. I'm happy. Very nice. Very, very nice. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you find interesting of my version of humba or braised pork. And thank you for those who give me well wishes on my birthday and on my wedding anniversary. Actually, my church wedding and my birthday and what it is in the same date. So it is both. So anyway, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.